It all starts here, Reykjavik, the heartbeat of Iceland.
The air smells like salt and freedom.
Coffee first. Always coffee before mountains.
From up here, I can see my whole journey waiting.
The road north feels endless, and I love it.
Iceland's silence is louder than any city I've been to. There it is, Esjan, Reykjavik's mountain.
Time for the stay. Time for the climb. Every step feels like I'm walking through a dream.
This is why I came alone.
Sometimes nature tests you before it rewards you. That view, I will never forget it.
Hands frozen, heart on fire. Touching centuries of life. Iceland humbles you.
One last ride before the heat meets the cold.
Blue Lagoon. Another planet entirely.
No rush, just warmth and peace. Sometimes healing feels like floating between worlds.
I could stay here forever. Maybe the lights came out just to say goodbye.
Every mile feels like a memory being written.
From Reykjavik to Esjan and back again. Just me, my bike, and Iceland's soul.